At the forefront of the common Indian's pursuit of good health stands the pharmaceutical industry. Within the industry, one company stands out for its vision to build a healthier Bharat. This is the story of Mankind Pharma.
At our core, we have always been a company dedicated to Bharat. For us, Bharat symbolizes the vibrant heart of the country, which resides in its small towns and villages.
Mankind Pharma started 28 years ago in a small town called Meerut. At that time, big pharma companies used to service their customers, basically the doctors, from their regional offices in major cities. So we decided to make a difference to focus on a small town doctors and patients.
Every organization is reflection of their promoters' mindset, their background. Since we come from a very lower middle class family, father, mother, very, very hardworking, what we have seen is just achieving everything through only hardworking. So you'll find that the same thing are percolate down in Mankindians.
Mankind Pharma has an extensive network of 25 cutting-edge manufacturing facilities with a total installed capacity of a mammoth 42 billion units per annum.
Our products are all backed by cutting-edge science with top-notch quality and at the most affordable pricing. We cover the entire therapeutic range. I think there is no therapeutic area which Mankind doesn't cover. So we started our consumer healthcare journey in the year 2007, where we launched several products. In the last 16 years, several of these products have become iconic products in their respective segments.
Mankind Research Center, an integral part of Mankind Pharma's commitment to innovation, stands as a testament to the company's dedication to cutting-edge research and development.
So in 2011, we established the first R&D center with approximately 100 scientists. So today I can proudly say that we have more than 500 scientists working in our state-of-the-art R&D labs, which houses all modern equipments.
As of today, Mankind Pharma is now the third largest pharmaceuticals company in India by volume. Mankind Pharma stands as a shining example of unwavering commitment to healthcare excellence. Guided by a visionary leadership, a dedicated workforce, and a steadfast commitment to its values, Mankind Pharma continues to shape the future of healthcare. As the company forges ahead on its journey, it remains dedicated to enhancing lives, improving well-being, and building a healthier Bharat for all.